Hey friends, welcome back to English Musty.
Hi everyone, I'm Krishna.
And I'm Maya.
Let's learn English with fun.
Krishna, what do you do in your free time?
Good question. I like to play the guitar.
Wow, that sounds cool. Do you play every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 times a week.
That's nice. Playing music is a great hobby.
Thanks. What about you, Maya?
I love painting. I paint flowers, trees, and sometimes people.
Oh, that's lovely. You must be very creative.
A little bit. Painting makes me happy.
That's the best part about hobbies. They make us feel good.
Yes, they help us relax and enjoy our time.
You're right, some people like reading in their free time too.
Oh yes, I also enjoy reading short stories.
Really, what kind of stories do you like?
Funny stories and stories with animals.
I like mystery stories. They keep me guessing.
Oh, mysteries are fun too.
You know, hobbies show who we are.
That's true. They tell a lot about our personality.
Let's make a list of common hobbies.
Great idea. Let's see. Reading, painting, singing,
Dancing, cooking, playing games.
gardening, traveling, photography.
And watching movies.
Of course, everyone loves that.
Do you like watching movies, Maya?
Yes, I do. I like animated movies.
Oh, me too. They're so colorful and fun.
Do you have a favorite one?
Maybe Toy Story.
Nice. I like Frozen.
You know, hobbies can also teach us new things.
Yes, like cooking helps us learn patience.
And music teaches us to focus and listen.
Exactly. Every hobby has something special.
What hobby would you like to try next?
I want to learn photography.
That's a beautiful hobby.
Yes, you can capture happy moments.
And make memories last forever.
What about you, Krishna?
I'd like to learn cooking.
Really? What would you cook first?
Maybe pizza. Everyone loves pizza.
True. I'll come to eat it.
You're always welcome.
Friends, what about you? What are your hobbies?
Tell us in the comments below.
We'd love to know what you do for fun. If you liked today's video,
Don't forget to hit the like button.
and subscribe to our channel, English Musty,
Share this video with your friends.
because learning English is more fun together.
And comment your favorite hobby below.
We love reading your comments. So friends, keep doing what you love.
Keep learning something new every day.
Keep smiling.
Keep shining.
See you next time. Bye.